Good morning, everybody. Welcome to LS Engine Kings by Proformance Unlimited. Happens to be one of our LS 427s. This customer chose not to paint his engine whatsoever, leave it natural aluminum, which we did. This motor has a CVF pulley system. We offer a variety of pulley systems, a variety of oil pans. We custom build each and every one of our motors for the application and what you're looking for. So again, we can have hidden coil packs, different style intake manifolds, whether it be polished, black, what have you. Here at Performance Unlimited, we build them the way you want them. Hey, peace. Real nice.